Olympia is going to have Bridget Kelly in lane 3. Savannah Cumberry will be in lane 4 from Lake Brantley. In lane 5 is going to be Kelsey Hoffman. In lane 6 is going to be Samantha Dinslow. Allie Fan will be in lane 7, and Madeline Steele from Winter Park will be in lane 8.
Looks like Spruce Creek, Kelsey Hoffman, along with Kelly Martin and 2 from Winter Park are our leaders. We're going to get a split time here at the...
Winter Park has the early lead. Probably has about a body length lead.
I think that lead now is probably on Savannah Cumberry from Lake Brantley in 3.
Yep, you're exactly right.
I'm sorry, Bridget Kelly from Olympia in 3.
But also keep a lookout on Kelsey Hoffman in lane 5 from Spruce Creek.
Yeah, she was an early challenger and continues to battle for that second spot.
Let's see what happens here. Kelly Martin, she's going to touch first, 56.20. Second is going to be lane 3, Bridget Kelly. Third is going to be lane 5, Kelsey Hoffman from Spruce Creek.
In lane 1 and 2 in this Heat 2A final, Leah Sims, the sophomore from Oviedo, in 1, Olivia Sims, the senior from Oviedo, in 2, Laura Toth from Riverview is in 3, Ricky Bonema from Olympia is in 4, Taylor Katz in 5 from Riverview, Sarah Jubes from Providence is in 6, Kara Vachon with her grandparents watching from Seminole is in 10, it's a 10th grader in lane 7, and Michelle Pope in lane 8 for Lake Brantley.
Going out to an early lead is going to be over in Bonneman in lane 4. Ricky Bodema in lane 4. Let's flips in. Has an early lead. Right there next to her is going to be Taylor Katz from Riverview over in lane 5. But Bodema now holds off probably almost a body length lead. And now that shrinks down to a half a body length lead as they find now the final 25.
Taylor Katz is charging fast.
And it's going to be Bonema Katz. They go underneath the flags. Who's it going to be? It's going to be Bonema. 51.97, 52.30 is going to be Taylor Katz. And third is going to be